All right, it's not just back to school season, it's back to everything. A lot of us are about to have a whole new routine, so it's the perfect time for a reset. Shop Today editorial director Adrianna Brach has some tools that fall changeover a breeze or make fall changeover a breeze. A reminder, scan the QR code to see all of the picks that we have for you this morning. Good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I know.
Yes.
So I've heard of this new concept, universal pants.
We love a
I don't know.
We love a universal pant. It's kind of the take on the jogger. So run, don't walk to get these joggers for men and
anybody can wear them. I mean, like, are they interchangeable?
The idea is that there's this elastic waistband, so it makes it comfortable. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, wear them to run your errands. They've got a nice tapered leg. These are Shop Today award winners.
So they're men's version and women's version.
And a women's version.
Okay.
Yes. It's, it's not one size fits most.
From Amazon?
They are, I believe so, yeah. They're under $35. These are Shop Today award winners, and we love them because they also come in different sizes, up to 3XL. So very inclusive
and they have
sizes.
Pockets and machine washable.
Everything.
Wow. So once you get them, now you got to hang them up.
Yes. Okay, so we found this.
I like this.
This is such a genius find. It is a 6-piece pant organizer. But you can use it for more than just pants. You can use it for tank tops, things like scarves, your jeans. And we love the design because you could lift it up to see everything you have when you're getting dressed in the morning. So the idea is you're saving storage, you're keeping everything organized, and you're getting
a triumph
ready.
if you have a lot of vertical space and not horizontal.
Or in a lot of college students, the dorm room closets are tall and lean.
Yeah, exactly. In your dressing room.
And now fun with condiments.
Okay.
Yes. So have you guys know the Lazy Susan, but have you heard of Crazy Susan?
No.
We love her because she doubles the space that you have, right? So you could still store stuff underneath.
Right.
But you can adjust the shelving to get a little
so the height goes up and down.
Exactly. So you have the ease of the Lazy Susan with some height. Yeah, and you put all your condiments. It's good for organizing your pantries, even under the kitchen sink, too, which gets crazy.
Jake Gyllenhaal, when he was on off camera, when that thing was spinning, he said he organizes his corners with the Lazy Susan.
Exactly.
With his pots and pans. So if he needs
If it's
something,
good
he
enough
just
for
goes
Jake.
like that. Totally.
Come on.
Good enough for us.
So what is this?
Okay, so meal prepping is the best life hack ever, especially in the mornings, because, we never have enough time in the mornings.
Right.
So this is really good. It comes in a pack of 4 jars. This is great for everybody in the family. You can assign colors.
I like
and you
that.
meal prep. So you could do leftovers in here. You could do parfaits, some overnight oats, some fruit snacks, some cereal too. It's really easy to take on the go to make your mornings a little bit
And the spoon is just right there with it.
And
so
the-
this morning
I love
you just
that.
grab
It's
it.
grab and go.
To machine wash them?
You could wash it. They're dishwasher safe.
Okay.
Oh, what? This is a hot pot kind of thing?
So it's kind of a take on like the slow cooker, but make it, lunch ready. So did you know the average American spends $53 a week on lunch?
Not surprising.
And it adds up to almost $3,000 a year.
Wow.
But, brown bagging it doesn't mean you have to, eat cold meals. This is the perfect on-the-go lunchbox because it's heated. So you stuff it up with all your leftovers. It has the utensils built in. And then you just plug it into an outlet, or you could plug it into your car as well if you're on the go.
Wow.
So no matter where your day takes you, this is a great piece to have for your
when
lunches.
you're in your Airstream and wherever she was, you could. That's great.
that was her in her car.
I like this for a desk. I think this is cute.
So
I think that's what it's for.
This is from Target, and we love this because it's got a bunch of different uses. So you've got the light, right? So this is like your desk light, and it's dimmable.
Okay.
It's got a wireless charger. It's got 2 additional USB ports and some storage space. So the idea is you could use this on your desk, but you can also do it on your nightstand.
Right.
Great for the kids.
Wires in the back.
Great for college students?
I think so.
Exactly.
There you go.
Really versatile piece.
Now, this is just
what is
goofy.
happening?
This is.
Do you want me to clean?
This is a house slipper, but
Come
make
on.
it useful.
I think I'm going to give these to guests when they come in.
Give them to your guests when they come in.
Right.
But this is also really meant
Earn
for
your keep.
So it's got removable fuzzies.
Exactly. So you pop these on.
It's like a wearable Swiffer.
Exactly. The idea is you wear these while you're cleaning your home. Keep your floors clean. If
Let's go fly. We could do a dance party with the kids. I mean, Al, what are you thinking? Because you seem not.
No, I'm hypnotized by Chanel.
Like, don't take me anywhere.
But
I'm
ow! I mean, why wouldn't you do this?
Exactly.
If you have
and
a choice between this and a regular
Why
slipper.
wouldn't Janet Jackson call you back?
Why would she not?
But then you could take the slipper part and wash it. So
There
you could
you
actually,
go.
they're useful.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Adrianna.
Thank you for that joy that you brought us this morning.
Yeah.
You guys
And
are
why did you
joy.
start singing Let's Go Fly It?
It's like, let's go. To shop any of these finds, scan the QR code or go to today.com/shop. And we should mention, Today earns a commission, I'm out of breath, from purchases through links on today.com.
Okay.
But really, I do want to learn.
But I'm going to take it.
How about that? Wait, I got it.
Keep those cleaning slippers handy because our next
Do I have
guest has been known to. Oh, she's moonwalking in them.
I'm trying.
Kate the chemist hatched up some fun back-to-school science experiments the kids are going to love.
You want to moonwalk?
And you give them those slippers, and boy, good time.
Okay.
All right, third hour today. May or may not be right back.
I think I got it. It's like hard.